Hello, everyone. People tend to struggle with rounding, so I just want to help you guys out. And what I like to do is just count the zeros whenever I'm looking at rounding. So if I'm looking at the tens place and I write the number 10, there is 1 0 in that. So that means this is going to be 1 decimal place. Or if I'm looking at the hundredth, that has 2 zeros in it. So this is going to be 2 decimal places. Okay, if I'm looking at the thousandth, if I write out 1,000, that has 3 zeros. So this is going to be 3 decimal places. And if you went on, you would see the pattern here for the rest of it. Okay, so just counting the zeros whenever you're writing these things out. So let's try something. We're going to round this number to the nearest whole number, the nearest tenth, hundredth, and thousandth. So let's start with whole number. Okay, and if I'm going to the nearest whole number, I want to look at the first decimal place. I'm going to look at the 4, and I'm going to see if that is greater or less than 5. Since that is less than 5, you actually don't do anything to the 7 at all. So this is just going to be 1/37. If I'm going to the nearest tenth, that's going to be 1 decimal place because 10 has 1 0 in it. So since we're looking at 1 decimal place, I'm going to look at the second one. 2 is not greater than 5, so we actually just leave the 4. So this is going to be 137.4. All right, the next one is the hundredth. And that is 2 decimal places, so I'm going to look at the third one. 5 is greater or equal to 5, so that's going to bring the 2 up to a 3. All right, so this would be 137.43. And then the last one is the thousandth. And we're going to look at the 4th decimal place. Since 8 is greater than 5, we're going to bring the 5 up to a 6. So this is going to be 137.426. Okay, hopefully this helped you guys out with rounding. You either bump the number up 1 or you just leave the number the same. So you should never be bringing the number down or anything like that whenever you're rounding. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.